Good morning, guys. We're all sparkly. It's a new year. First workout done. Go for it. Earn your reward. I did a video yesterday about the typical GP experience that lots of you guys have. You get offered antidepressants and or Viagra to sort out something that has a cause, but the NHS wants to simply treat the symptoms. So testosterone deficiency. In the comments section, one of my guys bravely admitted that he was suicidal prior to TRT, and he was seeing the benefits of therapy. Now, it is a journey. It's a journey that has to be lived every single day. So early days, but he'll have the support to guide him, hopefully, on the right path. Now, it's not an uncommon symptom. Crazy, really. Suicidal, low mood, anxiety. The manifestation of psychological symptoms as a direct result of a dysregulation in physiology. Do not underestimate the importance of hormonal balance in overall well-being. It serves as a foundation. We've spoken about this before. Talking therapies for psychological problems will only work when you address physiology. Now look at the autonomic nervous system. We discussed that last time. The polyvagal theory. It is your innate nervous system. It's there. The only way that you can manipulate it is through breath work and eating, which is why you have comfort eating. But what serves as the foundation behind this? It is your hormones. So do not underestimate the importance of maximizing, optimizing, whatever term you want to use, your male androgen levels. But please realize too much is as bad as too little. Hypo. The self-regulating HPG axis that works within your body normally is self-limiting. It is a negative feedback loop to prevent you from going too high because, as I've said before, too much is as bad as too little. Your body has a self-regulating mechanism to prevent you from going too high. So don't think just because you've got low testosterone and low mood as a direct consequence of this, that going to high is going to alleviate your symptoms. Now, there is a cohort of people who believe that you just up your dose until all of your symptoms have gone. This is absolutely nonsensical if you have a basic understanding of physiology. And I mean basic. Now, I didn't sleep very well last night, which means I'm tired. Should I up my dose? Give me a break. There are lots of reasons for your symptoms. Testosterone deficiency may well be one of them. And it is an important thing to address because, as we've already talked about, it can lead to low mood and suicidal ideation. So, physiology. Now, it's disappointing, isn't it, that your GP will not take you seriously when you present with these symptoms. As we've said before, they are trying to sort out the symptoms, not the cause. So it's not prevention, it's cure, but it's not curing, is it? Because we're not actually addressing what the actual problem is. Now, if you go to your GP with symptoms of hypothyroidism, diabetes, any sort of endocrine system dysregulation, your GP will put them into the computer, do the blood tests, come up with the diagnosis, and give you the treatment. But this doesn't ring true with testosterone deficiency because it is such a nuanced subject. As we said before, the reference range does not take age into consideration, and it should. And it shouldn't be dismissed as natural aging. The press will have you believe that the typical guy with low testosterone is a grumpy old man or a guy trying to get buff in the gym. Now, you can't blame them, can you? Just look at the internet. Just look at other companies doing videos from expos, the Arnold Expo. It's embarrassing. So, how do you expect the traditional medical profession to take this seriously when there are absolute plonkers out there just propagating this idea that it's all about being optimized? Yeah, it's about being optimized, but not what you think optimized is. So the fundamental principles of testosterone replacement therapy are normalizing your physiology to help facilitate growth and repair, to allow for homeostasis. That's it. No more, no less. I say flippantly, you're designed to fight and fornicate. That's what your DNA wants you to do. Just to add a little bit of lightheartedness to what actually is a very serious condition. Now, people present to me with a multitude of symptoms, and as we've already said, they can be very severe. They can be quite trivial. Slightly low libido, want a little bit more energy, but I'm doing all right, doc. But if you've got clinically low levels, you are a potential candidate for TRT once you've addressed all of the important things: lifestyle, diet, exercise. Oh, how many times do we have to go over this? Because going on TRT is not a flippant decision. It is involved. However, it's not to be feared if you need it, because obviously normalizing your physiology will have a positive impact on your physiology and your psychology. But it is a commitment. I did a video, it's just a little prick. And it really is. And it's no worse than brushing your teeth every day. It becomes part of your routine. And that's what it should be. It should be part of your routine. It shouldn't be a big deal. What can I do next? What can I do next? Get on with it. That's what you can do next. Trust the process and get on with it. Live every day to the max. So, it's disappointing, but it is what it is. What you have to do is take control of your own health. Personal responsibility. Now, disappointingly, you can't trust your doctor to do the right thing because of all the issues that we've discussed numerous times before. So ultimately, it really is your responsibility to take control of your health. I like that Thomas Edison quote, the doctor of the future. Disappointingly, the pharmaceutical industry is heavily involved in the medical profession. They are designed to keep you semi-healthy, but still needing their drugs. How disappointing. But I think we all know that that's very true. So we should be advising people on lifestyle, diet, and exercise, but we're not. We are firefighting. We are firefighting for many reasons, including the pharmaceutical industry, including the fact that there's a toxic overcrowding and overburdened, underfinanced NHS, including the fact that you guys also want a quick fix. You want that path of least resistance, not realizing that what you need to do is what? Earn your reward. Go get some.